Let me show you exactly how to grab HostGator's current discount. No tech skills required. Click the link you'll find in the description below. Or if you're on mobile, just scan the QR code. This link routes you directly to HostGator's offer page, and here's the magic. Your discount activates the moment you arrive. No hunting for coupon codes. It's automatic. On that page, click Get Started. Here are your 4 plan options. Every plan includes these essentials: unmetered bandwidth, domain registration, SSL certificate, WordPress migration, and unmetered storage. Hatchling plan, round-the-clock chat support. Solid beginner option with incredible value. Baby plan, phone support, unlocked. Only $1 extra? Absolutely no-brainer. Business plan, real malware removal, not just scanning, and automatic daily backups. Serious about your business or clients? These additions make the difference. Pro plan, priority support with lightning-fast responses, enhanced CPU resources, and peak performance tuning. Baby plan is popular for the phone access, but business plan is ideal when you need real security and backup protection. Next up, HostGator asks if you want to register a new domain or use one you already own. To register a new one, simply type your preferred domain name, click Search for Domain, and it's yours free for the first year. Now, we're at checkout. First decision, billing cycle. You've got monthly, 1 year, and 3 years options. Here's the deal. The longer you commit, the lower your monthly cost. I'd go with at least a year to lock in the savings. Next, pick your data center location. Choose whichever is geographically closest to your target audience for optimal speed. You'll also see some optional upgrades: site lock security, code guard backup, domain privacy protection. These are extras, not requirements. The free SSL is already part of your package. One more thing before you complete the purchase: the 30-day money-back guarantee. If HostGator doesn't meet your expectations within the first month, you can request a full refund on hosting fees. After you hit Continue to Checkout, fill in your billing info, review everything one last time, then click Submit Payment. Your confirmation email arrives almost instantly with login credentials. You're all set. Access your customer portal, and you'll see WordPress is live and ready to customize, just waiting for you. Your website is operational, SSL is securing traffic, and the 30-day guarantee has your back. Click the link in the description below, or scan the QR to get your discount and start building today. Thanks for tuning in. Now go create something amazing.